Uh, Today's November 11th, 2025. As you can see, Xiaofeng is installing the fence, the guard around the fish tank. So because we don't want the kids fall into the fish tank. Anyway, there's a door at this side, in the center. Probably will make the door open toward inside, so we can still have a table, here. So even the door is open, but people won't, fall, from here. But anyway, that's it. As you can see, the fish tank still has groundwater, seeping in. We like to pump the water out, and then to try to seal the bottom as much as we can, and then we simply paint this entire greenhouse with a special paint made for fish tank. Okay, and that's powerful. That's gunshot. And today we received this pump, this brand, Hengir. This is actually a pump to increase the pressure of the water. So because for the liquid cooling line, we don't have enough pressure, so we're gonna simply add this into the line, add the pressure. Hopefully that will help the pipe extend the water spray, water cooling area. Right now it's a little bit cloudy outside, but we feel it's so hot inside, so we have to turn on the bubble filling, although it won't fill the entire space, but it cool down quickly, and creating a shade. We're making cloud actually for ourselves. So anyway, it works. Until we fix the problem, then we can have a total fill without any problem. So that's what we plan to do. And then once the fish tank, paint is dry, then we can start the iAVs aquaponics. So and then everything should work according to the design. Okay, I'm standing on the south side of the PyraPOD. As you can see, we have bubbles everywhere, almost from 2/3 and coming to the end wall. Everywhere is filled with bubbles. There's some gas caps because we haven't fixed we are still waiting for the parts to arrive, for the screen material. Once we replace the half screen with a full circle screen duct, then we'll solve the problem. But right now it still works, in cooling the place. As you can see, the liquid is flowing underneath. So if you feel it, it's you can, it's cool but slightly warmer than other liquid, yeah, because it's solar heated soap liquid. Anyway, Xiaofeng is doing the last part of the fish tank guard. Basically that's the door, is installing it. Yeah, then that's all for today. Yeah, we bought another pump, and also we bought a booster pump, but we haven't got a chance to install it. We'll do it tomorrow. We just finished the installation of fish tank guard. Yeah, this is the door latch. We make it to go inside, go this way, so that we can place a table here. Without moving the table, we can, open it. But normally we don't use it, right? Only when you catch fish, catch a large amount of fish, you do that. But anyway, that's it. And Xiaofeng is removing the plastic protection. That finished everything, looking nice. Then we can invite visitors. Tomorrow, while we're waiting for the parts we ordered, we'll probably we'll try to seal the bottom as much as we can, and then let it dry, then cool everything. Dry everything. We're gonna seal the bottom as much as possible. Then we paint the whole thing with fish tank paint, special paint that's special made for sealing the fish tank, the concrete surface. Anyway, probably will do that, and hopefully while we do this, then everything we order will arrive. Yeah. Okay, so much for today. The sun is setting. We finished what we planned to do. We bought a booster pump. Probably was installed from here, because there's a line, drainage line, feeding pipeline going this way underneath. So we'll probably add that pump to the line over there, and that should increase the pressure for liquid cooling.
每天都在好几次哦，密封了，对，我传粉了。哦，传粉了，对。哦。